Marissa here with Foodie Town CA. So something you might not know about us, yes, we run this YouTube channel, we also run foodietown.ca. We also work 9-to-5 jobs, Monday to Friday, but we are also the organizers of the Okanagan Hot Chocolate Festival. And this year we are raising funds for the Central Okanagan Food Bank. And if you want to donate and help us out, go to okanaganhotchocolatefest.ca. And today we are going to be tasting a bunch of hot chocolates throughout Kelowna. This is my first one, Black Rabbit. It is a chili raspberry hot chocolate. Very nice and spicy, I like it. So now I'm going to go pick up Taryn, and then we're going to head out and try as many hot chocolates today as possible. Wish us luck. Maybe consider donating $1 or $5, whatever you can, per hot chocolate location that we hit today. So here's one already. Come check it out. Hotel Z is offering an awesome promo code. Use the code COCO and you can get 20% off any room type. Very impressive. Great location downtown. Great proximity to a lot of hot chocolate locations. I'm Marissa.
And I'm Taryn.
And we are trying as many hot chocolates as possible. We are insane, yes. But anyway, so, but we're doing it for you. So hit that like and subscribe button, please.
Smash it.
Yeah. And drop a comment below if you have tried a hot chocolate at the Okanagan Hot Chocolate Festival that you liked. Tell us about it. So we're here downtown, Kelowna, starting our journey. And I'm ready to sip some hot cocoa. How about you, Taryn?
Right here from Jay's Cafe.
Okay, go ahead. You go.
Yeah, I would say it's a little bitter, but you can get the mint. It's not overwhelming, but yeah. Dark hot chocolate, I would say. Dark mint hot chocolate.
Yeah, and you gotta pair it with their bingsu bowl. I love it. So it's a Korean-Italian fusion, and you gotta try Jay's when you come into downtown Kelowna. It's so cool.
Hey, running, hold the line, hanging out the window, painting through the sky. We living life by design. You got a good imagination, yeah, so do I. Let's go up to the sun, we running it up.
Sandrine's hot chocolate is made with chai spice from the local caterer and pop-up dinner, Paisley Notebook. So it's a collaboration of local talent. It's also using Tug 6 coffee beans, and she suggests having some a coffee macaron with the hot chocolate, the chai hot chocolate. So I'm gonna give that a go. To give you some context, Sandrine is from France, and the Okanagan, when you want to go for authentic French pastries, chocolate, macaron, especially croissant, you go to Sandrine. She is, from that I've come across, she is the only authentic croissant maker in the Okanagan. I just said it. You don't think so? Come at me in the comments. I don't mind, as long as you subscribe and like this video as well.
Okay, so we're at Third Space. They have a really great tasting flight of hot chocolate. So the first one is the orange dark hot chocolate. I love orange and I love dark hot chocolate. I would say that this one, it's a very hint of orange. It's not overwhelming or overpowering, very, very subtle. The dark chocolate is very nice. The second one is the salted caramel. This one is really, I quite like this one. It has a nice caramel flavor that's not too sweet, and there's a little bit of salt in there, which is really nice. But my favorite one, I would say, is the raspberry white chocolate. I love white chocolate ever since I was a kid. I know it's not white, I know white chocolate's not real chocolate, but I love it. And the raspberry in this, it's a wisp of raspberry, and I thought it was delicious. It's my favorite one. We are at Bright Jenny and we are trying their rainbow white hot chocolate. It looks beautiful. She did a really good job. Look at that. She asked for anything more. Got ours made with oat milk, and I like it. I like this one. It's almost like a pastel rainbow, which I like. The flavor is very nice. I like it. I love white hot chocolate. So.
I gotta go get it, cause I could be gone in a minute. And now I've been working so hard, so now I'm living. I deserve it. Life went on.
Okay, so the Beer Institute. This was it was kind of a dark horse. I didn't expect this theatrical hot chocolate from them, so I'm kind of excited to try it. I do like the one with the marshmallow whip and the graham cracker crust. I mean, you gotta get Bailey's if you can. Splurge for it. Yeah, that's a nice one. I agree. It's not too heavy. Considering this is our 6th hot chocolate of the day, I'm enjoying this. I'm definitely popped up on some hot chocolate, but I don't mind fitting this in.
Okay, so this is amazing. Everything that they have a little accoutrement that go with it, a little bit of theatrical. You get to do the whole hot chocolate foam melting yourself. There's Bailey's in it. This is really good, the rim. It's quite hot, so just be warned. See, is it best outside in the campfire? Not in it, but around one. This is, love that. Delicious. Maybe we should make a mug that says, I got chocolate wasted at the Okanagan Hot Chocolate Festival.
That's literally how I feel right now. I don't know about you.
Yeah, I feel gone.
Okay, the Mayan hot chocolate with cinnamon and dark chocolate, I'm gonna go in. Ooh, it sneaks up on you in the end there. That spice, that habanero spices, I should say. Ooh, spicy and really good though. This might be my favorite of the, it's between Sandrine's and Bliss. This is really good. Whoa. Woo! I'm all hopped up on hot chocolate.